was ground animals.
Marching through the jungle trail. What's that sound? It's a lion's wail. He roars so loud, he shakes the trees. He's the king of a land, wild and free. Fire roar! Stomp, 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 stomp on the ground. That's the land where friends are found. Elephants, lions, bunnies too. Which one would you like at the zoo? Our elephant stops with a trumpet call. He's big and strong and very tall. He flaps his ears and swings his trunk, then sprays water with a funky splash. Let time! Bunny hops so fast and light, bounces left and bounces right. Twitchy nose and fluffy tail, carrots make him never fail. Boing boing, zebra runs with stripes so neat. Clip clop goes his speedy feet. Black and white, a racing champ, galloping fast through jungle camp. Clip clip clop. Giraffe stretches to the sky, munches leaves from branches high. Spots all over neck so long, she eats and walks while humming a song. Panda munches bamboo sticks, sips and eats with quiet tricks. Black and white and super sweet, cuddly bear with big soft feet. Crash! Kangaroo jumps with a giant bound. Boing, boing, boing on the ground. She keeps her baby in her pouch, hopping fast from couch to couch. Fox is clever, quick and sly, runs through forests zipping by. Pointy ears and bright red fur, he hides and sneaks without a purr. Take Russell, Russell! Bear is big and loves to nap, curls up tight in nature's lap. Growls and stretches, eats all day, then in winter sleeps away. Horse goes neigh and gallops far, pulls a wagon or runs in a star. Hooves go clip, his tail goes swish. He's the fastest on the wish. Right neigh! Can you stomp like an elephant? Or hop like a bunny? Roar like a lion? Ask your grown-up which land animal is your favorite. Stomp, 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 stomp on the ground. So many animal friends we've found. From lions to bears and pandas too. Land animals love me and you.
Fly was flying animals.
Flap your wings. Let's fly high and meet some amazing flying friends. Ready, up, up and away. Eagle soars up really high, wings spread wide in the sky. Sharp eyes see from way up there, flying free without a care. Cut it, flap, flap, flap up in the air, flying animals everywhere. Owls and bees, butterflies too. Which flying friend would fly with you? Coppery talks with colors bright, green and yellow, red and white. He says hello with happy cheer, squawking songs for all to hear. Hello? Owl goes who in the moonlight, spinning his head left and right. He flies so soft you can't hear a thing, flapping gently with silent wings. Buzz goes the bee from flower Butterfly flutters soft and light, wings like rainbows in the light, dancing gently in the breeze, floating over flowers and trees. That flutter, flutter, that comes out when it's dark, flying quiet through the park. Upside down, he loves to sleep, swooping low and flying deep. Ladybug with polka dots lands on leaves and tiny spots. She's so small and oh so sweet, crawling slow on little feet. Tippy tap, a dragonfly zooms in a shiny blur with shiny wings and gentle purr. Zooms by water, zip zip sing. What a speedy flying thing! Hummingbird with buzzing wings flaps so fast it almost sings. Drinks sweet nectar every day, zooming quick and zipping away. A pigeon coos in the city square, flies in circles in the air. Gray and gentle, flaps so wide, he flutters down, then starts to glide. Cuckoo! Can you flap your wings like a bird or buzz like a bee? Which flying animal would you like to be? Flap, flap, flap up in the air. Let's fly together everywhere. From bees to owls and parrots too. Flying animals love flying with you.
Swim with sea animals.
Let's dive deep under the sea and meet some splashy ocean friends. Ready? Blob, blob, let's go! Ow! Woo! Fish go swish in the water deep, swimming fast, they never sleep. Tiny fins and tails that flick, zooming by so fast and quick. Plum, swish, swish! Splash, splash, splash in the sea. Come and swim along with me. Dolphins, turtles, jellyfish too. Which sea animal swims with you? Dolphin jumps and spins around, making such a happy sound. He clicks and squeaks and loves to play, leaping up all through the day. Octopus with arms so long, wiggly, swirly, big and strong, changing colors as he hides. Peekaboo beneath the tides. Can you swim like a gull? Wiggle! Shark swims fast,